we're doing something very sort of adult-friendly, which is going to be shrimp with pineapple skewers. We put salt, pepper, and we're going to put a little lime zest. The lime zest is a really nice ingredient. It kind of brings out the nice tropical flavors of the pineapple. I think it benefits probably just a little drop of olive oil.
And doctor, how often should a prenatal patient be eating seafood?
So when you're pregnant, you can eat seafood. You just have to limit how much.
Okay.
So we usually say 1 serving a week.
Okay. Okay. So you can still enjoy it, but just cut it down a little bit.
And same with fish. You can eat fish throughout pregnancy. You just have to watch the higher order fish like the shark and the mackerels
fish,
have much more mercury on them.
I always like to say, like, for my wife and my daughter, we have a 2-year-old grandson now. She was always concerned about eating a lot of fish, and it's just the predatory fish, high mercury fish, swordfish, shark, tuna.
Tilefish.
Tilefish.
I don't really know what tilefish is, but
tilefish is a fairly popular fish, especially down in Florida.